Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the Onforu, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, O-N-F-O-R-U, there's the logo right there. This is their retro Bluetooth speaker, 20 watt, it's a vintage wireless speaker with loud stereo sound and Bluetooth 5.0. It's meant for indoor, and it has a interesting look to it. I'm going to show you this. It has a 20-hour playtime, and you could use this wherever you want good sound. It comes with a USB cable with a micro USB port on there for charging, and a 3.5 millimeter line-in audio cable in case you don't want to use Bluetooth. Now, looking at this, you can see it has a gold trim on there. It looks really neat. And look at the top right here. It's got really nice buttons on here, and it's got this kind of bronze-ish gold color. It's not gold, it's bronze looking, and this dark bronze outer portion here, and plastic look that looks like the Bakelite that was from the 50s. It looks really nice, and this speaker's got some weight to it, very high quality. So on the bottom right here, it has very nice rubber feet so that it stays solid on your table. On the back, it has a sealed silicone piece right there, and let's put a flashlight on here so we can see a little better. You got your 5-volt input there to the left, and then your line in. Then there is a master reset button there. You can use a paper clip on if you ever need to do that. Now, looking at the back of this, it doesn't have what I see. It doesn't have a passive port, but what I see is an active port that is utilizing the two speakers, the lower frequencies, and that's nice. Now inside here there are two large drivers for left and right, and it does give it a really nice sound. What's unique also is that this volume control right here is a digital volume control, so you can rotate this all day. It's not mechanical. And then included in that is a switch right there, and that's where you're going to power the unit on. There's your track right, track left, and this is how you do the Bluetooth syncing up with your phone. So it's a very basic operation to get this to work. We're going to show you that. So going over some more of the specs, it has 4,400 milliamp hours internal lithium-ion battery, which is a pretty big size battery, which gives you that 20 hours of playing time. And it's about 300 songs at half volume level. And 20 watts acoustic power, probably RMS, to the speakers. And it sounds really good. I did get a nice range on this of about 20 meters, which is about 66 feet because of the 5.0 Bluetooth technology. If you get a phone call while you're using this, it will just disconnect. There's no microphone on here that will work with your call, which I don't like that anyway, so I'm glad that it doesn't have that, but it will disconnect. Then when you hang your phone up, it'll continue playing, and that's kind of neat. Now this is IPX5, I'm going to show a slide of that, water resistant, and that means you can handle water splashes from any angle. Doesn't mean you could submerge this or drop it in a pool or put this in the rain and get tons of water. And this means it's splash resistant. And make sure that you have that rubberized silicone cover that's on the back. Make sure that is closed if you're going to have any more water near this device. The frequency response is 20 to 20,000 hertz. The charging time, I'll show how I charge this and the indicator now. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to charge the device with the included cable. So I have it plugged in to the back. Just remove the silicone cover, and you see there's a red indicator that is on solid right now, and it's charging the two internal batteries right now. Okay, so it's been charging for about 3 hours, and now I notice that the LED, the red LED, has extinguished, so it's fully charged. So let's go over the operation of this nice Bluetooth player. To turn it on, you hold this button down. It comes on, you see the blinking right there. Now, when you have your phone, you want to make sure that you have your Bluetooth enabled. So there I have to make sure that it's enabled. And you heard that little sound right there. So right there is the on Faru SK05, and it says it's connected. So it connected quite easily. It did. I found it and I said yes, connect to it. So it remembers that setting just like you'd expect a Bluetooth player. So that's basically it. Now let's hit the done button right here, and let's go to my music. And I'm gonna play some music that my son did to avoid any copyright issues. So there's a song my son did, and you know, you got your volume control, and you also have volume right on your device. You can change it right there too. And then when you have track changes, track right, track left, simple as that. You can also disconnect your connection right there if you want to. Now when I listen to this and I put my ear up to it, I hear your normal response right here, and these kind of roll off at about 200 hertz, but then I notice in the back that there's a port on here, and this port is bringing in the lower frequencies, which is nice. So I'm impressed. It sounds really good. You could tell it's got the power. So I like this. I think it looks really cool. The colors that they chose and the way this looks, the feel of it. Now let's just show you that if I wanted to use the included cable right here, and let's see if I can take the output of my phone, and so you notice the Bluetooth disconnected. Now let's open up this back port right here, and let's put this into the line in, just like that. And you know, it made a certain sound telling me that it was on line in, and now we have the sound right there. So you don't need Bluetooth to use this. You could use any one of your players, your MP3 players, whatever has the industry standard output cable. And again, it sounds just as great. And if you want to pause, you just hit that button right there, and there's your pause button. Very simple. So what's my overall impression about this Bluetooth player from the brand name right there? You can see right there the brand name, and you can see how retro and cool this thing looks. I like this product. I was really impressed with the sound, and I was very impressed with the way this looked. It looks really cool. You know, there's a lot of boring Bluetooth players out there that all look the same, and this one does not look the same. It actually looks really nice. I love it. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented will help you with all your buying decisions. Thank you for watching.